The biggest difference between these two cards is simple. Discover It Secured offers cashback rewards, while Capital One Platinum Secured focuses more on flexibility with your deposit. By the end of this, you'll know which card makes more sense for building credit, saving money, and getting better long-term value. Here's the direct answer first. If you want rewards while building credit, Discover It Secured usually wins. If you need a lower upfront deposit and easier approval flexibility, Capital One Secured often makes more sense. Start with the money. Discover It Secured has a $0 annual fee. That matters, because some starter cards charge just for keeping the account open. Your security deposit starts at $200, and your credit line matches it. Capital One Platinum Secured also has a $0 annual fee. The difference is the deposit. Depending on your application, you may qualify for a lower security deposit than your starting credit limit. That lowers the cost to get started. That's the first major split: rewards versus lower upfront cash. Now look at what you actually get. Discover It Secured gives 2% cash back at gas stations and restaurants, up to the quarterly cap, and 1% on everything else. It also includes the cashback match feature at the end of your first year, where all earned cash back is matched. That's rare for a secured card. Capital One Platinum Secured doesn't offer rewards. It's built for one job: credit building. It reports to all three major credit bureaus, and gives access to automatic credit line reviews. Discover does the same reporting, but it adds another useful feature: automatic account reviews starting at 7 months to see if you qualify to get your deposit back. That's important. Getting your deposit refunded without closing the account means you move from secured to unsecured while keeping your account history. Now think about who each card fits. If you spend regularly on gas and dining, Discover gives real value back while you build credit. Even small purchases can stack rewards. If cash is tight and you need the cheapest way in, Capital One's lower possible deposit can make it easier to start today, instead of waiting. Quick summary. Discover It Secured is stronger for rewards, long-term value, and deposit graduation potential. Capital One Secured is stronger for lower entry cost and simple credit building. Your next step is easy. Check how much cash you can put down first. If it's at least $200 and you want rewards, Discover is the better play. If you need a smaller starting deposit, Capital One is the practical choice. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more straight-to-the-point credit card breakdowns.